Have a big project to paint? When you have a large, high-visibility painting project like cabinet doors, there is no faster way to get a nice, even finish than by using a sprayer. Today, we will demonstrate just how easy it is to use a high-volume, low-pressure electric paint sprayer to apply durable, long-lasting Beyond paint. Like every painting project, we start by cleaning these cabinet doors to make sure they are free from dirt and oil, as this helps the paint bond to the surface and give a clean finish. While the cabinet doors are drying, it's a good idea to read the sprayer manual to determine the best settings to use for your particular sprayer and project. The color that we're going to use today is Beyond Paint's Pebble. Now that the surface is dry, we're ready to start painting. As you can see, Beyond Paint's nanotechnology means more coverage with less effort. We have almost completely covered the surface in just one pass. This method is so fast. We're getting a nice even finish in a fraction of the time, and we even use less paint than we would have if it had been rolled on. If you happen to get too close like we did here, it's no big deal. Beyond Paint's special nanotechnology means better consistency and coverage, so it won't run or drip like traditional paint. But if you happen to spray too closely and need to touch up a little running paint, you can do so with a 3/8" fabric roller like we did here. Use a brush to cover any cracks or tight spots that the sprayer may have missed. Be sure to read the sprayer instructions on the optimal distance between the sprayer and your project. After allowing the first coat plenty of time to dry, we use the sprayer to apply a second and final coat. These oak doors have nice character and grain, and a really great feature of Beyond Paint is that it doesn't hide or cover up the natural grain pattern of the wood. As you can see here, after 2 coats, it still shows through. And voila, with an electric paint sprayer and some Beyond Paint, we had no problem getting professional results on a large project and in record time. For more tips and paint for all your home projects, visit beyondpaint.com.